In this podcast we are going to look at making a general journal entry. Our general journal entry is going to be concerned with moving money from one bank account to another. So where do we go from here? Well, we look at the company and we go down in the menu here to a general journal entry. We will just assume that we can enlarge it so we can see it easier. That's better. Right, we look at the date. We will enter today's date, which is the 5th of January. Sorry, the 6th of January now. We need a transfer reference, so what we're going to do is we're going to call it a transfer, and I'm going to put my initials by it so that I've got the practice of saying who actually made this entry. So it's going to be a transfer of money made by myself on January the 6th, 2009. So we'll look at the general ledger account, and what I'm going to do is put some money into petty cash. So petty cash is going to be the account that's debited. So I will select petty cash, and this is going to be to transfer money to start petty cash. And that we tab along. We're going to debit it with $200. That's our starting amount. Now we've got to work out the account to credit from. Well, I'm going to take it from the main bank account, which is Delta Bank, and I will credit Delta Bank with $200, and that shows what I did was I took $200 out of Delta Bank as cash, and I took it to start the petty cash system. All I now have to do is click on save, and that keeps my record. Close. Now, how do I know that it's been done? Well, there's a very easy way to do that. We look at reports and forms, and we go to the general ledger forms. That was that one click too many there. And we look at the trial balance, and from the trial balance you can see here that we now have $200 in petty cash, and we took that from the Delta Bank. I can just drill down, you see the little magnifying glass there, and that shows the ledger entry that I took it from the bank, and I put it into the petty cash account. Right, so I will close that. So that's a general journal entry then to make a bank transfer of funds between two accounts.